Hello everyone, this is Val with This Is How You Do It. This is a Richland Richards trike kit. Go to that motorcycle right there. Well, anyway, we've had this trike kit for 7 years. You roll over it here and back into it, and then you mount it. And it's the body of it is mounted with this screw and that bolt right up under the belly of it, and then it comes out to the ends, and these U-clamps, they're mounted to the front of the bike, which would be right here on both sides. It goes over here, and then you tighten it up. It's just in that place right there, and right in the middle. That's how it's mounted to the bike. Well, the problem that we've had with this after 7 years is it started to break right here. See right here? And we had to weld that back together. And once it started to crack on one side, as time passed, it cracked on the other side also. And welding that back together and the weight of the bike made the ride shaky, and now it's time to replace the whole thing, the whole frame. This part right here, it seems to be hollow on the inside. I think that's why we have the break. But if this was one piece and didn't have to be welded right here, but it was one piece connected to this, going all the way back, then it probably would have held up in time. If it didn't have that weld right there, I believe it would have lasted a lot longer. And right there is when we were going over a speed bump and it pulled it, even when you had to go over real slow. And I think that's when the problem actually really started, where it's starting to get weak in those areas. But this is the trike kit. Has the aluminum 15-inch wheels. It says the wheel is 15 and the tires are 15. A regular car tire. And it come with the bar in the back, so you can hitch up your trailer if you pull in a trailer. Even though the bike already has one of these hitches on it, it does not cover it up, and you're still able to use your saddlebags too, because we have a gold wing. This is a 1998 gold wing, and it comes across here, and we still have the bar connection right here. Well, this is Val with This Is How You Do It. I just wanted to show you this trike kit off the bike by Richland Roadsters. And I'll talk to all you beautiful people in the next video. Bye-bye now.